Fabric and textile bags, DIY. Miarti sewing patterns. Interface and iron the burlap piece. Mark 5 by 5 centimeter squares at the bottom corners of the 2 burlap and lining pieces, and cut them out with tailor's shears. Wrap bright pink yarn around a 10 centimeter cardboard template, tie it tightly in the center, and form a fluffy pom-pom. Cut the yarn loops with tailor's shears along the edges. Trim the pom-pom into a round shape and prepare 6 pom-poms. Measure 13 centimeters from the top edge of the main piece and trace vertical chalk lines at 12 centimeter intervals. Cut white cord into 3 pieces, place them along the marked lines, and stitch on a sewing machine with 2 straight lines. Hand sew the yarn pom-poms and buttons onto the designated spots to form flowers. Prepare a pink striped grosgrain ribbon. Shape the bag handles at 13 centimeters from the center and secure with clips. Machine stitch the ends of the handles to the top edge of the main piece on a sewing machine. Fold the pieces right sides together and stitch on 3 sides on a sewing machine, leaving an opening for turning in the lining bottom. Shape the bottom corners of the burlap and lining pieces, clip the edges, and stitch on a sewing machine. Turn the outer burlap part of the bag right side out and push out the corners. Place the main piece inside the lining right sides together, align the top edges, and sew them together on a sewing machine. Turn the bag right side out through the opening in the lining bottom. Fold the seam allowances of the lining opening inward and edge stitch them closed at 2 millimeters, 0.2 centimeters, on the sewing machine. Tuck the lining into the bag and run a clean top stitch along the upper edge on a sewing machine. Showcase the finished summer burlap shopper bag with pom-poms, its capacity, and final dimensions, 33 by 32 by 11 centimeters.